Welcome back. You can add widgets to your WordPress site, and all you'll need to do is to go to Add a Block. And then you're going to type in widgets. And what you're going to notice is that you see 5 different kinds of widgets that you can add to any post or page using the block method. In this case, we're going to choose the latest post, and this will add the latest post to whatever block that we place in here. And you'll see here that there are actually 2 posts available that we can note in this area. Now naturally, whenever you add in a widget, that widget in and of itself is going to have its own set of properties. In this case, we're looking at the latest post settings, and we can set those latest posts according to the way that we want them to appear. So for example, we have an option here to display the post date, and we can do that. We can add in the latest categories. So you'll see here that we have the default category of uncategorized. We can display this as a drop-down, hierarchy, or show post counts. And again, all we're really doing here is we are using the properties that each of the widgets give us when we use that option. In this case, we can use show post counts. You'll notice then that our widget then shows that there are 2 posts under this category. Now, before you add a particular widget, you're going to want to make sure that that widget is not already on your page by default. In this case, in our WordPress site, you'll notice that recent posts are already there, as well as categories. However, you'll notice also that the post count is not available in this area. When we publish the post, you'll notice the information showing on this particular page. You'll also notice that you have the post count, you have the dates associated with this particular widget. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.